Hi, let's learn first property that can be applied directly to individual flex items, the order property. The order property is used to control easily the order that flex items appears inside the flex container, what not happens in older CSS versions when using other type of properties like position and float to change the location of some elements. Returning to flex items and order property, by default they are ordered as initially added in the flex container when you write the HTML code. The great advantage of this property is that flex items can be reordered, changing the property value given by a number without changing the HTML code. I change now my code to have just 3 divs as flex items that have a width and height of 70 pixels. These 3 divs will receive the order property to change the order of the flex items. To create an order value in each main div, I use Untitled selector to select the 3 divs elements and give individually a value to order property. So I define now in CSS my first child with ID main using the end child with value 1, and I repeat the process to the other divs using value 2 and 3 for each other. And now it's possible to write the order value for each children. I define order for the first child with value 3, for second child value 2, and finally the last child value 1. What is going to happen? Second flex item keep the position and first and third flex item switched. Now making another change. I want my second div at the left, so I assign order with value 1. The first original div I want in the middle, so the order value is 2, and the third div stays on the right like in the beginning, reason why I give value 3 to order. If you want to add more divs, it's very easy. Just need to add in HTML code, and in CSS just make a copy of the anti-child code and give the order value to position the div inside the container. Don't forget and keep in your mind that using this property is the easiest and fastest way to change the order of the divs. Thanks. See you next video.